Hello, I am teacher Celine. In this video, I will be sharing several bow hold warm-ups that we can do before we start our practice. Why are they important to do? Because it can improve our playing from this to this. As we can see, there's some movement in finger and wrist that might not be aware of that actually help us to play with straight bow and smooth bow changes. Apart from gaining awareness of finger and wrist movement, bow hold warm-ups also helps to reduce tension in our right hand when we hold the bow, as well as develop finger and wrist flexibility. Before we start, make sure you already know and practice how to hold the bow properly. Keep our pinky curved and thumb bent. So if you have never done any warm-ups before, this video is for you. The first warm-ups is knuckles exercise. We can put our right hand in front of us, palm face downwards, and we are going to move our finger down, up, down, and up. Be careful, not the entire hand, not like this, but only the fingers. Make sure that your thumb also follows along, down, up. Next, palm facing slightly outwards, and we are going to do the same movement, out, in, out, in. Next, we are going to do knuckles exercise with the bow. So same movement, put your right hand in front of you and hold the bow, only the finger move down, up, down, up, down, up. Next, palm slightly facing outwards, and again hold the bow, finger move out, in, out, in, out, in. Next warm-ups is tapping fingers. So again, use our left hand to support the bow. Tap each of the fingers 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next warm-ups is walking spider. So we are going to climb up the bow with our fingers until we reach the tip, and then we are going to climb down. These warm-ups might be challenging, especially for you who never done this before, but don't worry, you can start slow, move slowly, and then the important thing is keep your bow hold. Next warm-ups is windshield wipers. We are going to bring down the bow to the left and to the right. Okay, be careful, not the elbow like this. So use the wrist. So relax your shoulder, only moving your wrist. Next is stir the pot. So we are going to make a circle with our bow, like you are stirring a pot, a small pot. The next one is rocket. We are going to move our bow up and down, all the way down and up and down. Make sure the bow is straight. Keep your bow as straight as possible. Keep your bow hold. Next is the train. We are going to move our bow to the left and right. Left and right. Keep your shoulder relaxed. And you can use your left hand to support. Make sure that the bow is straight. Now we already know the warm-ups. Let's do it together. First one is knuckles exercise. We are going to do it 10 times. Down, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and palm slightly facing outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, grab your bow with your left hand. Hold your bow with your right hand. Same movement, we are going to do down, up, down, up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, palm slightly facing outwards. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is tapping finger. We are going to tap from the fourth finger, third finger, second finger, first finger, and thumb. Each of fingers, we are going to tap 4 times. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking spiders. Windshield wipers. Let's do 10 times to the right first. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, stir the pot. Let's stir it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Launching rockets, we are going to do 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last warm ups. The train, let's do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! That's all for the warm-ups in this video. You can do it every day everywhere as long as you have the bow with you. I hope you enjoyed the video and it's useful for your practice. Happy practicing!